31 Top Health Benefits of Parsley Tea. Hello and welcome to Jada Therapy. Parsley is not only great as a garnish on food. Parsley tea contains vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin B, fiber, iron, copper, calcium, potassium, and caffeine-free. Consult your doctor and/or medical advisor before consuming parsley tea in high quantities. 31 Top Health Benefits of Parsley Tea. Antioxidants. Anti-inflammatory. Treats kidney stones. Treats urinary tract infections, UTIs. Treats bruises. Treats digestive problems. Treats menstrual problems. Treats liver disorders. Treats asthma. Treats coughs. Treats fluid retention and swelling, edema. Treat bloating. Helps with weight loss. Detoxification of the body. Naturally regulates blood sugar. Treats skin conditions and disorders. Maintains gut health. Cures rheumatism. Natural cure and treatment of cancer. Natural treatment of osteoporosis and osteoarthritis. Improves colic pain and flatulence. Treats and heals gastroesophageal reflux disease. Improves your body's immune system. Improves cognition and brain function. Prevents and cures microbial infection. Improves aches and pains. Maintains hormone balance. Natural treatment of anemia. Protects against macular degeneration. Treats and maintains the health of scalp and hair. Maintains cardiac health. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and for more information check out the links in the description below.